Question 6 here gives us a growth model and wants us to determine the time that it will take for the population to double in size. So when we're looking at one of these equations, P of t equals P naught E and then to the 0.23 t, the P sub 0 here stands for our initial amount. And then the P of t out front here is our final amount. So the cool thing about a doubling problem, tripling problem, halving problem, whatever the situation might be, is as long as you choose some number for your starting amount and you double it, triple it, or whatever for your final amount, you're always going to get the same answer as anybody else. So what I always do is I choose a very simple number to double, triple, half, whatever they want me to do, and then I do whatever they want me to do to it. So I'm going to choose one, and in this case, I will double it because that's what we're looking for in the final amount, so 2. Popping those pieces back into this equation here, my final amount, P of t, that's what we're saying is 2 because I want to know when is this population going to double. My initial amount, that was the amount I chose, and I chose that amount to be 1, and then e to the 0.23 t. So from here, we just need to do some algebra to get the final answer out. So this can simplify down to just being 2, and since 1 times anything is just itself, we can really look at this as just 0.23 to the t. To get at this t in the exponent up here, to cancel out an e, you need to natural log both sides of the equation. So I'm going to natural log the right side here, and that means whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'll natural log that left side. What that's going to leave me with is the natural log of 2 equals, and the natural log and e cancel each other out, and whatever was in that exponent is going to drop straight down. So 0.23 times t, and then again, we're trying to get t by itself, so divide by 0.23, divide by 0.23, and we'll get out of here t equals the natural log of 2 divided by 0.23. Oftentimes they'll accept that as an answer. If you need to, though, you can always just open up your calculator and then move it over to the side so you can actually see it, and then just type that in. So the natural log button's on the left side there. So natural log of 2, and then divided by 0.23, and then hit enter. And so our final answer would have been t equals 3.01. So t equals 3.01, and then never forget your units, and then we're talking about t is measured in years, so this would have been years. So no matter which answer you would have wanted to give them, you would have wanted to give them the units as well.